Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you're returning, welcome. I'm back. So my Celtics play the 76ers today. I'm getting ready to go hang out with some friends and watch the game. I know I was gonna do my makeup, so why not film a look? So if you're interested in seeing how I achieve this look, keep on watching. Go Celtics. Alright, so going in with this color, it is called Control Freak. It is a nice reddish brownish color, and I'm just gonna buff that into my crease until I like what I see. I love the pigmentation on this palette. It is such, it's like butter. And then I'm dragging this out just a little bit because I forgot my tape, so I'm just having to wing it right now. But hey, like I've always said, there are no rules in makeup, so I'm just gonna make it work. So I'm just gonna go in with this next color. It is in the color Black Beauty, and I always feel some type of way about using black, but I'm just gonna outline the outer V of my outer crease and just see what happens. There are no plans. I have a look in mind, but I don't know. I don't know. I just kind of sit in front of the camera and film, and whatever happens, happens. And I'm not as precise on my lids as I am my outer V because I know that I'm gonna blend it out later. So if you're like me and you're lazy, just make sure that your outer V is precise, but you can blend out everything else later, you know? I'm always trying to figure out new ways to hurry up and expedite my makeup routine, and this happens to be one of the tricks. I'm just gonna take that same blending brush that I use for my transition color, and I'm just going to, without product, blend the rest of it in. And I mean, when I say blending it in, that's what I mean, like blending it all over your eyelids, into your crease, and all that good stuff. So I kind of like what I see. So far so good. I kind of changed my plans as I started blending out the black color, but nonetheless, we're right on track. We are right on track. So going in with my clay paint pot in the color Soft Ochre per the usual. Y'all already know what the drill is. I'm just gonna carve out a little bit of my eyelid, not too much because I want a darker shade to sit on it. So I'm just gonna be taking the color Midnight. It is a very dark brown matte, and I'm just going to tap that onto my eyelids. I have a look in mind, so let us cross our fingers and hold our breath and hope that it all comes together, because it's cute in my head right now. Then I'm just gonna blend out the harsh lines right now with my trusty dusty blending brush, but very lightly because I don't want anything to transfer up top right here. So being extra careful not to mess nothing up. All right, so now that I like everything that's going on right now, I'm just gonna take my MAC Prep and Prime, and I'm just gonna spritz a nice little firm brush, and I'm gonna go into the highlighter Radiant in this palette. I absolutely love it as a highlighter, so I'm gonna see what it does as an eyeshadow. So let's just see what happens. We're just playing at this point. It looks straight, right? Looks straight. All right, now that I like what I see, I can go ahead and spritz my eye look into place. Make sure that I don't blink or do anything cray-cray while it dries. We Gucci. So I'm just gonna go off camera, do the rest of my face as it has not changed, and I will come back for blush, highlighter, and inner corners. So stay tuned. All right, so I am back. So I went on ahead and did my foundation routine and everything off camera. So for highlighter, I'm just gonna be mixing in that Radiant color mixed with the Moonlight highlighter in the palette, and I'm just going to highlight until I like what I see. Oh my gosh, I didn't bronze. Oh well, there are no rules in makeup. So I'm just gonna take my NYX bronzer and I'm just going to lightly bronze my face. For my under eye, what I'm gonna be doing is something a little different. I'm just gonna be taking my Jordana waterproof eyeliner. This is in the color Aqua Stone, and I'm just going to work it out. So to line my eyes, I'm just gonna use my trusty dusty NYX vinyl liquid liner, and I'm just gonna work that out until I like what I see. Alright, and then for mascara, I'm just going to be taking my Back Out Bang and working that out until I like what I see. So I'm just going to be taking my Patrick Star Floral Collection blush in the color Take Me Home, and I'm just going to dust that on the apples of my cheeks. And when I say this blush is the business, it's the business. To set everything in place, I'm just going to be taking my MAC Prep and Prime and spritz until I feel good about it. And for my lips to start, I'm just going to go in with this NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in the color Downtown Beauty. This is a nice brown matte color, super cute. Alright, and then to top everything off, I'm just gonna take this ColourPop liquid matte lipstick in the color Trap and just kind of set it off a little bit in the middle of my lips and see what happens. Alright y'all, so this is the completed look. If you like it, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, don't you think this routine is getting a little mundane? Just hit the subscribe button. Be like Nike and just do it. And also make sure that you're checking in with me on my other social media platforms as well. We're pretty lit across the board. But yeah, that is all the time that I have. So until my next upload, remember that kindness does not cost you a thing, but your attitude will cost you everything. So remember to be kind and be you.